Let's create a Gmail account. Click on start. Ch Search for Chrome, CHR. Then you will see the best match, Google Chrome. Click here. Then in this address bar, this is the address bar. Let's see. This is the address bar. In this address bar, type gmail gmail.com gmail.com and hit enter. What you see here is the first welcome page by Gmail. So on this page at the right side you have create an account. So click on that. So here you have to type first name. Type the first name. My first name is Praveen, so I will type it. Last name is Fule and username. Username is just like a name that you want to use for your account. So that name cannot include space. It can include letters, numbers, and dots, but it cannot include space. So type the name small letter, only small letters. Pravinphule. It can be anything. It can be a combination of numbers, dots, anything. So I have typed it like this, pravinphule@gmail.com. Then click here for the password. What I see is many people struggle for the password. So creating the best password is not that big job. So what you have to do, uh, just type a number and give a symbol and give a number. So what you have to do, just type something, any word, and then include one symbol and one number, something like that. So what I will say is type your name. For example, this should not be your password. You can define your own password. So here Praveen at the rate 1987. So what I have done, Praveen at the rate 1987. So Praveen Pravin at the rate 1987. So 1987 is my year of birth. So I have taken that. So it is very easy to remember your year of birth and your name. So you will not forget it. So what I have done is first letter is capital. My first letter P is capital. Other letters are small, and at the rate is a symbol. So I have made a mix of letters, symbols, and numbers. Also, my letters are a combination of capital and small letters. First letter is capital, other letters are small. So I have made a good password. So next, sign in. If if you have if you already have the account, but if you don't have account, click on next. We are creating the account. This is for the first time. You're creating the account. That means you have to click on next. Click here, but the name is already taken. Username is taken. So many people struggle for this also. Username. Username can be anything. Remember, username can be anything. It may be any word other than your name also, but you should remember it because you will have to tell your Gmail account ID to others so that they can send emails to your account. So you can include a number like 1987 like that and click on next. But include your father's name, Praveen Phule. In between, I will include my father's name, Prabhakar, Prabhakar, Praveen Prabhakar Phule. So Praveen Prabhakar Phule at the gmail.com. So I will click on next. Let's see whether it works or not. Yes, it has worked. We are on the next screen. Here you can see Praveen Prabhakar Phule at the gmail.com. So enter your phone number. My phone number is this. My phone number is this. Or you can type in 77, or I will type my other number 9923801648 and month. So date of birth, my date of birth is 13 May 13 and year is 1986. So 1986. Gender male. So what was my password? My password was 87. So don't make a mistake. Please remember your passwords and your username. In previous screen we have entered the username. This username is here, Praveen Prabhakar Phule at the gmail.com. This is the username. The username is this, Praveen Prabhakar Phule. At the rate is a separator between your username and domain name. Domain name is gmail.com. This gmail.com is the domain name. At the rate symbol is a separator, and this is the username, Praveen Prabhakar Phule. This is my username for Gmail account, and here is my date of birth and gender male, female, male, and click on next. I have entered the password as 1987. That does not mean my year of birth is 1987, but I was telling you to make a combination about password. I was not telling my date of birth. My date of birth is this 13th May 1986. So click on next. Verify your phone number. So click on this send button. So it is saying that to make sure this number is yours, Google will send you a text message with 6-digit verification code. Standard rates apply. So let's see. In my mobile, I have the message SMS with a 6-digit verification code. So this is a 6-digit verification code 994126. 994126, and click on verify. So get more from your number. So if you want to get more details or services information about many services, receive video calls and messages, make Google services including ads and more relevant to you, so you can click on yes, I mean, otherwise you can just skip that. So these are the privacy terms and conditions. So you can read all the conditions, but don't worry, you have to accept it. You have no choice, because if you do not agree, you cannot use the Gmail account. You have to agree with this. So click on I agree. Click on next. So choose the default style. Okay, so this is the default view of your Gmail account. Let me zoom out. So this is the default view for your Gmail account. So you can continue with this default view. So you're done. Your Gmail account has been created. So your Gmail username is Praveen Prabhakar Pule. My Gmail username, not your. My Gmail username is Praveen Prabhakar Pule @gmail.com. Uh, Username is this much, Praveen Prabhakar Pule, and @ is a separator, and gmail.com is a domain name. So if anyone asks for your email, I'm saying what is your email? So you can say that this is your email. So if anyone asks to me what is your email, what is your email ID, then I will say that Praveen Prabhakar Pule @gmail.com is my email ID. The most important thing is that if you are not doing anything in this or living to any other work, so please sign out. Please remember to sign out so that your account will not be misused by someone else. So if you are not using that PC and you are logged in, then please remember to sign out before you leave that computer. So click on sign out. So if you want to log in again, so this is not sufficient. If you want to log in again, you will have to just click here and enter your password. But you should remember your password. If you have forgotten your password, then you can click on forgot password, but that is not the common way of doing it, because if you have created a user account just now and you have forgotten your password, that does not make any sense. So you should remember your password. Praveen @1987. So I have put the password as 1987. So here Praveen @1987. So click on next and protect your account. So these messages are frequent by Google. The Gmail is a Google account. Google account is an account provided by Google. So Gmail is a email service by Google. So confirm. Also you can search for what many things you can do with Gmail account. So just here on the right side in this corner, you have this P. It indicates your user account information. Click here, and you can sign out, add another account, or manage your Google account. Click on manage your Google account. So if you want to change your password or any information like that, then you have to go here. So manage your data and personalization, get started, take the privacy checker, account storage. So manage data and personalization. So here security, on this left side, security is here. Click on security and password last changed just now. Click here, and to verify, to continue, first verify it's you. That means you have to enter your password again. Praveen @1987. Click on next and then enter your new password. So why I am changing password is because I have told you my password and I don't want to be get hacked by you. So I'm changing my password, and I will not tell you this password. Okay. So here is my new password, and I have to repeat it here. I have to enter it for 2 times. Then click on change password. Your password was changed. Yes, you have successfully changed your password. This message appears save password. If you are using your PC, your own PC, and you're comfortable with that PC, then you can save. But it's better to not save. Never. Click on never. So it will be helpful to remember the password, because you will have to enter password every time you log in. So don't save it. To remember the password, you have to enter it again and again and again. So every time you log in, please enter the password and log in. So that is the good practice. Please don't save your password anywhere. Click on never. So I can click on home and go to home of Google account, but now click here, and you have seen manage your Google account. But if you want to go your inbox, if you want to go at your inbox, click here, this point, click here and click on Gmail. Now this is your inbox. Google security alert, your password was changed. Yes, you have changed your password. But if you haven't changed your password and received this mail, that means you will have to recover your account. Click on recover your account and go on recovering options to recover your account. So click on inbox, this inbox. It will show all the emails that you have received from others. So first email is from Google Community, and second email is from Google. And click here Google Apps. What things you can access with this Gmail account or Google account? So you can have the Google search, Google Maps. The same account will work with all these things. YouTube, Play Store. Yes, Android Play Store. So you need a Google account for Play Store. So your account will work with Play Store also. Google News, Gmail, you are using Gmail. Google Meet, so live meetings can be conducted with Google Meet. Contacts, Drive, Calendar, Translate, Google Translate, Photos, Shopping, Docs, Google Docs, Google Sheets. Docs is a Microsoft Word like thing. Sheets is a Microsoft Excel like thing. Docs is a word processor. Sheets is a spreadsheet. Slides is a presentation program, just like PowerPoint or LibreOffice Impress. And you can have books, blogger, handouts, and many other things. Google Classroom is also there. If you want to teach online, you have the option of Google Classroom, so you can use that also. Google Earth, collections, many other things are there. More from Google, so you can have more things from Google. So this is about creating a Gmail account or Google account which can be used on these many services. So you can have these many advantages if you have the Gmail account. So let's click here and sign out. It's very important to sign out your account when you have finished your work. Click on sign out.